name is Anna. This is my assistant Patricia. My weather pattern is hail. Today I'm going to talk about how hail forms. Hail forms in a cumulonimbus or thunderstorm cloud. A cumulonimbus cloud can be 20,000 meters long. The freezing level is 10,000 meters. It first starts with water drops that are blown up by the strong wind to a high cloud level. Because the temperature is really cold, the water drops freeze and fall down where they join other water drops. Then the hailstones are blown up where they get bigger because they freeze. This process keeps on going until the hailstone is too heavy for the wind to blow up that it falls to the ground. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.